The Tile Roofing Industry Alliance presents changes to the 6th edition High Wind Tile Installation Manual issued in 2020, matrix updates, and new and improved drawings. We made some changes to the matrix and provided a whole set of new and improved installation drawings. A couple changes were made to the matrix. Some mechanically fastened systems were eliminated that are highlighted in yellow in the 5th edition matrix on the left. Also, all direct deck systems 412 and greater will require preformed flashings without returns, circled in red in the 6th edition matrix on the right. The installation drawings in the new 6th edition are now full-color drawings that are easy to read, easy to identify the different details, as compared to the black and white drawings from the 5th edition. If you have any questions, please contact the TRI at tileroofing.org, or you can contact any one of the tile manufacturers by doing a web search for their name and finding their contact information. Thank you very much.